Serial Communication Basic. You have System 1 and System 2, and you need to send a byte of data from System 1 to System 2. You can have 8 lines connecting System 1 and System 2. Each line carries the individual bits, and the data is transmitted across. This kind of communication is usually termed as parallel communication. Can we just use one line to send the data? Yes, we can. We send the bits one at a time on the line. This is usually termed as serial communication. When data can only be transmitted in one direction, it is called simplex communication. When data can be transmitted in both directions, but not at the same time, it is called half-duplex communication. Let's add another line. Data now can be transmitted in both directions at the same time. This is called full-duplex communication. Let's label the transmit terminal as TX and the receive terminal as RX. A ground line is needed for the two systems to have a common reference. This is how the signal on the line looks like. The signal is at logic 1 when no data is transmitted. This is a typical signal on the serial line. When no signal is transmitted, the signal is at logic 1. This is also called the idle state. The signal goes low to indicate the start of its data transmission. This is called a start bit. Let's use this data as an example. This is the MSB or most significant bit. This is the LSB or least significant bit. The LSB is transmitted first, followed by the next bit. After the MSB is transmitted, the signal goes high. This is called the stop bit. The signal remains at logic 1 during the idle state. A single bit is transmitted for a specific duration. This is called the bit rate. Its unit is bits per second. This kind of communication is also known as asynchronous communication. Asynchronous communication is the transmission of data without the need of an external clock. A typical bit rate is 9600. What does it mean? It means 9600 bits are transmitted in 1 second.